Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our crochet bag tutorial. In this video, we'll complete the bag by crocheting the side and bottom border and then assembling the whole piece. This step is super exciting. Your bag is about to take shape. We're still using 3mm yarn and a 3mm crochet hook, so make sure you have them ready. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure to check it out first to complete the front and back panels with handles. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beautiful handmade projects. Let's dive in. For row 1, chain 8. Turn your work, skip the first chain and crochet 7 single crochets across. Tip: the strip will be the side and bottom border, so consistency and tension is key. Great start, you're building the structure. Now for rows 2 through 90, chain 1, turn and crochet, 7 single crochets in each row. Tip: this long strip should measure around the full outer edge of the front or back panel. You can hold it against the panel to check as you go. Keep going, you've got this. This part adds strength and depth to your bag. Now it's time to put everything together. Place the side and bottom border around the edges of one bag panel. Then use single crochet stitches to join the border to both the front and back panels. Tip: make sure the corners line up neatly. You can use stitch markers to secure the panels before crocheting. This part brings everything together. Take your time and enjoy it. To finish it off, use slip stitches to edge the inner sides of both bag handles. This gives a clean and polished look. Tip: keep the slip stitches loose and smooth so the handle stays soft and comfortable. And that's it. Your bag is now complete. Doesn't it look amazing? Congratulations! You've just finished your very own handmade crochet bag, complete with strong handles and a beautiful, sturdy border. Thank you so much for following along. If you enjoyed this project, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. I'd love to see your finished bag. Feel free to share it in the comments. Until next time, happy crocheting!